Hi friends, are you ready to practice our long vowels, vowel teams, and R-controlled sounds? Let's go. Take a deep breath. We're going to start with our long vowels. Ready? A blank E, safe A. E blank E, Pete E. I blank E, pine I. O blank E, home O. U blank E, mule U. U blank E, rule oo. Whew. All right, take another deep breath. Let's start our vowel teams. A, I, bait A. A, Y, play A. E, jeep E. E, Y, key E. O, A, boat O. U, E, blue oo. U, E, rescue U. O, I, coin oi. O, Y, boy oi. O, school oo. O, book A, August aw. A, saw aw. O, trout ow. O, soup oo. O, snow o. O, plow ow. E, chew oo. E, eat E. Whew, take another deep breath. Let's start our R-controlled sounds. A-R, car, R. E-R, her, I-R, bird, O-R, horn, or. U-R, burn, let's take another deep breath. We're going to practice. This time I'm going to show you the sound without the picture, and you have to tell me what sound it says. I'm going to give you 2 seconds before I tell you the answer, so you have to be fast. Some of the letters do make 2 different sounds, so be on the lookout for those. Ready? R. U, U. I. A. 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 E. 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 O. U. Oi. E. Oi. O. Ah. Ow. Ooh. Ah. Er. O. Ow. Or. Ew. Ooh. Great job.